Power. Power of a body is defined as the rate of doing work by the body. Let us take an example. A boy doing exercise by using dumbbell. When he used the dumbbell of 5 kg, then he applied power P1. And when he used the dumbbell of 10 kg, then he applied power P2. Hence, the power rating is high when he used the dumbbell of 10 kg as compared to the dumbbell of 5 kg. Power is a scalar quantity and is represented by P. Power of a body is given by P is equal to W upon T. Its SI unit is watt. Other commonly used units of power are kilowatt and horsepower. 1 horsepower is equal to 746 watts. Instantaneous power. It is defined as the average power in a very short interval of time at a particular instant.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.